Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick video explaining to you all the secret little hidden features, I guess you'd call them. Shout out to the guy that commented on one of my videos and said, where's your little four-wheel drive thing? Got me looking. So then I've got everything found out. So I'm going to let y'all see. So if we go down, trip A, trip B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, which I haven't got mine synced. Don't freak out. I have them in my wheels and tires. They're just not synced yet. Fuel economy, last 50, and then blank. So let's go in here. We're going to go to options. Let's get this focused. Options. We're going to go to this little guy, go over to the right, and then we've got all these checked, which are the ones that we could see. So we're going to check engine hours, transmission fluid, off-road, and then we go back to info. Let's go down here. Right there. The engine has 93.7 hours on it. That's pretty cool. Transmission fluid is 102 degrees Fahrenheit. And how sick is that? So we'll definitely have to test this out one day. But it's going to show how, from the front to the back, what the degree of angle is. Currently we're at 1 degree. And we'll see how it is side to side, what degree that is. Four-wheel drive, if it's in two-wheel or four-wheel, it's got a little angle there. It might show you how much the rear is articulating. I'm not sure. We'll have to play with that for sure. But definitely some cool features that, for whatever reason, Chevrolet leaves checked off to where you don't see them. And unless you really, because, think about it. Like, who's going to click right on that? Like, that's pretty, I don't know, that's pretty weird. I guess we'll go ahead and check timer. We'll see what that does. Okay, so you can start a trip and see how long it takes or whatever. But definitely pretty cool. So I'm just going to make this quick video, show you all how to put those on your main screen, just on your info, and you can leave them on there. We'll definitely have to do a true off-road video, get some articulation and stuff on this to see how it looks. So leave a comment, leave a like, let me know if this helped. Hopefully it did. I'll see you all in the next one.